Another day, another trade recap video. Today was wonderful. I actually ended up taking two trades, one finished break even and one absolutely smashed TP. I can't show you the executions because I ended up passing my eval with that trade, but I will do a little recap on how I took it. First 1 minute chart. We had, or let's start at the 1 hour chart. I think that's easier. So I kind of wanted to see, at first, I wanted to see a sweep of these lows maybe before going higher tomorrow, but when looking at this 4 hour gap right here, I kind of changed my bias, and we actually had these two 1 hour gaps right here, which my points of interest for market open, or for the first 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, as I said, we have this 4 hour gap right here and this internal high right here. So with us already before market open being like this close to that high, that internal high, I was pretty sure that we will at least first for testing lower. So as I said, we have these two 1 hour gaps and actually ended up retesting those at market open right here. Got a pretty ugly 5 minute range, and yeah, respected at least the lower gap, pushed higher, and I ended up taking a trade from, I think I market entered somewhere around here. This is actually wrong, something like that. Took partials right here at the range high, moved my stop to break even and got stopped out break even. Then we pushed higher again to create the 15 minute range, which for me was an indicator we definitely would be bullish that day. And as you can see, we ended up sweeping these highs and respecting a 15 minute gap, which kinda made me worry a bit, because we got this strong rejection right here, but ended up not really investing something. And we actually swept the 15 minute range high, pushed lower. That's the point where I kind of thought about maybe taking a short. I wasn't that confident at that point. Let's do this real quick. And after we pushed down, we got a huge rejection from that 0.5 level, from the 5 minute range, and ended up inversing and retesting the first value gap, which for me there couldn't really be a stronger signal for long, and I took it stop under that CE retest, and my first take profit was right, and my first take profit was right around here. I had that high as a second take profit. Mark that out for you. Okay, so I took, I think 50% of here, 25% out here, and I think right around here I closed the trade because as I said, I passed that eval, and yeah, there was no need for more profit. Final TP would have been that CE of the 4-hour gap. You maybe could have even targeted the previous, not the current, the previous new week open gap. We also would have hit right here, but as I said, there was no need to do that. I think that's it already. I hope you had a good day, and see you probably next week. I'm not going to trade tomorrow just because I passed the eval, and not to get greedy and control myself and think a bit about it, and I hope you get it.